What's up, my loves? It is Saturday and I am about to get up on this yacht and have a Litty day. I'm super excited. I am currently in the car waiting on my people to pull up. I think they go one right there, but anyway, we are all about to get on this yacht. We're gonna turn up. We're supposed to be going to a private location island to grill out, mingle, drink a little bit, and just turn up. So I just wanted to bring you guys along. It's about to be litty out here and your girl is excited. Even though it's 93 degrees, it's super hot, but yeah, we about to turn up and stay tuned for the festivities.
Get into the crib, muscle down, our bitch run along. This ass K and get the shaking like it's so running club. The fans say my name, I'm like when the oven on. To the plate, recipes made, replay. Trying to bring the record like a DJ. This was 150 ball. She know who is slide with a fit from the dick in my side. Says a little bitch, says a little hoe. I love the way you walk, love the way you talk. Let it go back. I'm trying to give it to you. Go back. I'm trying to me. The way that she take it, I spit on it, lick on it.
What's up, my guys, my lovely loves? I am currently in the car on my way to Trader Joe's. I just left Home Depot. I had to pick up some plants. By the time this video goes up, that video should have already gotten up. But anyways, I am on my way to Trader Joe's because I will be cooking tonight and I need to pick up a couple items in there to make dinner with. And I also want to try this no sugar rose water, like a champagne kind of, but it's like a water but champagne with no sugar, but it's supposed to be water. So I'm gonna see if Trader Joe's have it. If not, I think World Market has it, and I'm gonna pick that up as well. And guys, I'm gonna show you what I cook for dinner, so make sure you stay tuned. All right, you guys, I'm back home, changed into some relaxing PJs, and I finished recording the video that I supposed to have done today, and it should be already uploaded. It's Go Shopping With Me. I repotted my plants and did the video on that, so make sure you check out that video. It should be already uploaded to my channel. Now, as promised, I was going to let you guys know what I was eating today, but before I jump into that, guys, I was walking in Trader Joe's, and the gym that I go to, I seen one of the trainers that work out with us, and I seen her and her daughter. Guys, I had my shades on, I had my mask on, but when I seen her, because I haven't been to the gym in about 2 weeks, I've been lacking. I've been trying to do so much other things that I have been lacking going to the gym. I just need to get up early enough to be able to do that, and also complete the rest of my day at being productive. So anyway, when I seen her, when my tail flew inside of that Trader Joe's, I was like, yo, I was like, oh my God, I hope she don't see me, because I know she would have asked me where I've been. So anyway, let's just go ahead and jump into cooking for tonight. It's only going to take me 10 minutes to make my meal. And I was telling you earlier that I wanted some rose water. I was seeing this other YouTuber drink this rose water. They did not have it in Trader Joe's. They may have had it in World Market, but I didn't feel like going across town. So I picked up this Simply Wines Rosé. I always pick up this good old rosé. It's alcohol 10%. I don't need but one. It's really, really good. So I did pick up that and sipping on a little rosé while I cook. Now for dinner, it only takes me 10 minutes. I am making some lobster ravioli. These things are so delicious. It's stuffed with lobster, Let's see what else is in it. Milk, egg, wheat, and lobster. So these are really good. And I'm also going to saute some mussels with tomato sauce and garlic. I am going to cut up some more garlic, and also I am going to put some more tomatoes inside of that. I already have my butter going, and I am going to put some spinach in it. I already put the spinach inside of the spinner and wash that off. So real quick meal, let's get to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut up the garlic really fine and add that to the butter and let that saute for a few minutes, but not too long because I do not want my garlic to burn.
Yeah, she broke my heart, but I survived. They've been getting scared and switching sides. Tell me now I'm really down to ride. Midnight moving, I ain't never scared. I'm so sick and tired of all the nightmares. When did I start running out of fears? Why they telling me to stop? I'm 22, pushing Jordan. Now we floating. Look, I'm about to start a wave and I'ma keep it going. If she in it for the fame, then I'ma let her go. And I never try to run away, I just take control. You already know I can never lose, yeah. Always moving out like Freddy Krueger. What else can I do, yeah? Gotta keep it true, yeah. Always moving out like Freddy Krueger. I can never, ayy. It really feels like I can never die. Yeah, she broke my heart, but I survived. They've been getting scared and switching sides. Tell me now I'm really down to ride. Feels like I could do this in my sleep now. My aura's
Girl, this quick 10-minute meal, I'm going to add my lobster ravioli, tomato basil mussels with a side of lobster raviolis. I am about to try this out, guys, and let you guys know how it tastes. Get into that, guys. Can you see? Can you see the little cheese and the lobster? Do you ever do the happy dance when you eating and the food is good? That's when you know the food is good. This quick 10-minute meal is a lifesaver when you have a busy day and lifestyle like me. Add a little bit of rosé to your meal and call it a night. So after I finish eating, guys, I am going to take me a shower and relax on the couch and catch up on, I think, Potomac Housewives. They have another episode out, so I'm gonna catch up on that, and I will catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out. A-Town down. Hey my loves, I just realized that I did not do a proper ending to this video, so here is the end. I hope you have enjoyed watching this weekend's vlog. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so now. Don't forget to comment and like, and I will see you in my next videos. Until then, take care, be safe, and much love. Bye.